Alright, in this exercise I'm again using 4 things. So first thing sounds like 12, 8, 10, 8, 10, 10 on second, 8, 10, 8. So I'm using 2 strings. This is first phrase. Second phrase, 10, 7, 8, 7, 8 on the second, then 7, 8, 7. So it sounds like third one, 8, 5, 7, 5, 6 on the second, and 5, 7, 5. And fourth one, again the second one is the fourth one, so 10, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7. You can play everything for 2 times. Like second one, third one, sorry, fourth one, and speed, it sounds like that. Alright, you can practice it, learn better, play better.